God, this is so good. Guys, please try this recipe. This is from Lady O's kitchen. You will love it. It fell down. I'll pick it down. I don't want to miss. It's so good. Hello guys, welcome to Lady O's kitchen. Oh, Lady O went for grocery shopping. I have my milk, butter, corn muffins. So today we are making corn muffins the Lady O's way because I'm going to add my own twist. Welcome to Lady O's kitchen, guys. So let me wash my hands from grocery. Okay, oh guys, corn muffin the Lady O's way. Let me crack my eggs. I'm going to use lots of eggs. You guys know that Lady O breaks rules. I'm not following the normal rules. I'm going to make this corn muffin the Lady O's way. You know I always add my own twist to whatever I cook. So I'm going to use lots of eggs and milk. Not enough, I will add more eggs. Let me add more eggs. That aside. Let me put this in my fridge. Okay. First of all, I will dissolve it. I'm dissolving it with the milk because if I pour the egg into the corn muffin, without dissolving it, it will clog. So I have to first of all dissolve the corn muffin with the milk before I pour in my egg. Alright, this is where the egg will come in. Little by little, so that it will not clog. Loosen it up, just loosen it up. I think the consistency is good. Now this is where I also add my own twist. You can either add fruit cocktail. When I went into the shop to buy fruit cocktail, I didn't see it, but I decided to pick up this crushed pineapple. It doesn't matter, you can add whatsoever you have to add. Do your own thing, add your own twist. So pour it in. This is going to be flavorful, tasty and flavorful. This is how Lady O adds her own twist to whatever she's cooking. Just pour in the pineapple crush. It's going to be tasty and flavorful. That's it, guys. Then I will smear this with butter. Give me great space. Put this in the fridge. Just use butter or any kind of either oil. There are some spray butter, but this is what I have. Use what you have in your kitchen. Just do you feel free. Cook. Have fun in your kitchen. Cooking is fun, guys. Cooking is fun. just fill it up. Not really to the brim, because as it is baking, it will rise. So don't fill it up to the brim. It's going to be nice. Guys, you notice that I didn't make it to be so thick, because I don't like my corn muffin to be so hard and thick. It will come up to be very, very fluffy. Is it fluffy? Yeah, fluffy. Woo. It will be fluffy, oh. And that's good. Yeah, and then they are ready to get into the oven that was already preheated. Just leave them there to cook and then keep on checking. And of course, by the time it's ready, there is a kind of aroma that will come up to tell you that they are ready. So let me clean up while we wait for the corn muffin to cook. Oh, let me check. Guys, let us check on the corn muffin. Let's see if they are ready. Oh my God, just look at how lovely. Look at how lovely these are. Oh my God. This is lovely. Nice. Ooh. Let me bring it to this side. Just leave it to cool down and enjoy your corn muffin. Look at this, very lovely. Guys, this is how Lady O prepares and enjoys her corn muffin. Don't forget to watch, like, subscribe and share. Bye. Watch out for more delicious meals and cookings from Lady O's kitchen. Bye bye.